$100 might not sound like a lot, but used the right way, it can unlock serious momentum toward financial freedom. Most people underestimate what small amounts of money can do. They spend it on fast food, subscriptions they forget about, or let it sit in checking doing nothing. But today, we're diving into 5 smart money moves you can make right now with just $100, and each one has the potential to change your financial direction. These are practical, proven strategies that anyone can apply, no matter your age or income. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Just Finance, part of the Just Channels network, where we break down real-world money moves that help you earn more, save smarter, and grow your wealth, one step at a time. Let's get into it. Money move number 1. Build or boost your emergency fund. We've all heard it, but let's talk about why this really matters. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, a buffer between you and life's surprises. Whether it's a flat tire, an unexpected bill, or a week of lost wages, life happens. And when it does, you want to be prepared. Even if you already have an emergency fund, adding $100 to it puts you that much further ahead. If you don't have one yet, $100 is a perfect start. Open a high-interest savings account and stash that money where it earns something, but is still accessible. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is protection. $100 may not cover every crisis, but it can be the difference between staying calm and going into debt. Money move number 2, pay down high-interest debt. Let's say you've got a credit card with a balance. That $100 could save you more than you realize. Most credit cards charge between 18% and 29% interest. That means for every dollar you owe, you're paying up to 30 cents per year, just in interest. Paying down that balance isn't just responsible, it's smart investing. You're effectively earning a risk-free return that beats the stock market. For example, if you put $100 toward a credit card charging 20% interest, you've just saved yourself $20 over the next year, guaranteed. If you've got multiple debts, focus on the one with the highest interest rate. That's the one costing you the most, and it's the one you want to crush first. This isn't flashy. But in finance, boring usually wins. Money move number 3, start investing. Even with just $100, thanks to technology, you no longer need thousands of dollars to start investing. With apps like Wealthsimple, Questrade, or even apps like Acorns or Robinhood in the US, you can get started with as little as $5. The best place to put that $100? A low-cost index fund or ETF. These track the overall market, like the S&P 500 or TSX 60, and give you instant diversification. You're not betting on one company, you're buying a small piece of hundreds. And here's where it gets exciting. Compounding. If you invest $100 every month for 10 years at an average return of 8%, you'll end up with nearly $18,000. But that only happens if you start. That first $100 isn't just a drop in the bucket. It's the start of a habit that can change your life. Even if you don't keep adding more right away, that single investment is still working for you 24/7. That's the power of compound growth. Money move number 4, buy a tool that pays you back. Think of your $100 as startup capital. What can you buy that will make you money or save you time? That might be a high-quality budgeting template, access to premium software, or a course that teaches you a monetizable skill. Maybe you invest in Canva Pro, ChatGPT Plus, or AI voiceover tools to launch a side hustle or automate a business idea. Here's a rule of thumb. If a tool helps you earn or save more than it costs, it's an investment, not an expense. For example, let's say you buy a $29 digital product that helps you track spending and manage your budget better. That one tool might help you save hundreds over the year. Or maybe you purchase a finance course on Udemy for $19, and that knowledge gives you the confidence to start investing, negotiating your salary, or launching a small online business. One smart purchase can pay for itself many times over. Money move number 5, start a side hustle. This one's big, because $100 might be all you need to go from thinking about it to doing it. With just $100, you could buy a domain and set up a simple website, start a print-on-demand store using a free platform like Redbubble or Printful, run your first Facebook or Instagram ad, pay for basic tools to launch a newsletter, ebook, or coaching service, subscribe to automation software to sell digital products 24/7. The internet has removed the traditional barriers to entry. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need inventory. You just need an idea and the willingness to execute. Even better, there are hundreds of AI tools today that help you launch faster and cheaper. AI-generated content, logos, voiceovers, videos, it's all within reach. That $100 might not get you to 6 figures overnight, but it might buy you momentum, and that's priceless. There's a saying in finance, it's not about how much you make, It's about what you do with what you have. And that couldn't be more true with $100. Do you save it? Invest it? Use it to grow? The best part is, there's no wrong move here. Each of these strategies plants a seed. Whether it's safety, growth, education, or opportunity, that money becomes something more powerful than it was in your wallet. So, what are you going to do with your 100? Drop your plan in the comments. I'd love to hear what path you're taking. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Just Finance, part of the Just Channels network, and hit that bell so you never miss out on actionable money tips that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.